In this lesson, we'll be discussing common names of amines. The question reads, give a common name for each of the following amines. Just to catch you up to speed, in our previous video we learned how to name amines using the IUPAC nomenclature, but normally if you were to read a package of some sort, you wouldn't read the IUPAC name. Instead, you would have the common name. So it's important to know this. The question is asking, give a common name for each of the following amines. The first thing that I'll do is name them using IUPAC, and then I'll discuss the common names of them. So we learned that the longest chain dictates the base of the name. The longest chain here is 2 carbons, so we can write down or start with ethane. And since it's bonded to nitrogen, we drop this E in place of amine. So we have ethanamine. Therefore, the IUPAC name is ethanamine. It's all one word. Now they want the common name for this. The common name instead is ethyl, which is the alkyl group right here, and the word amine. So all one word, ethylamine. Moving on to B, let's discuss the common name of this. The longest chain here is 1 carbon long. So we know that it starts with methane. We drop the E with amine. So methanamine, that's the base name. And we have these 2 substituents. They're both methyls. So we can write down dimethyl. No need to put 1 methanamine because that would only add to the redundancy of the name. In addition, these 2 N's side by side suggest that the methyl substituents are bonded directly to the nitrogen. Now, as you can see, this is pretty long, and there has to be a better way to describe this molecule, and there is. Rather than this big name, we commonly refer to this as trimethylamine. So trimethylamine. A lot easier to say and read. In question 2, draw the condensed structural formula for butyldimethylamine. We can derive a lot of information from this common name. We have butyl, and we have dimethylamine. The amine part suggests that it is an amine. Butyl is 4 carbons long, so we can assume that we have 4 carbons, just like this, and this carbon is bonded to a nitrogen, and this nitrogen is bonded to 2 substituents being CH3, the methyl part. So this would be CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. The IUPAC name for this is butanamine. That represents this part. And we have 2 methyls. So we'll write down N-dimethyl 1-butanamine. So there you have it. That is how to interpret the common names and write the common names of amines.